Hello and welcome. Lisa Seymour Howard here, and in this video I'll be talking about the top 3 ways that I will be earning money to be able to create an abundance and leave a legacy for my family. And the reason that I'm creating this video is because what I have found is that being a life coach and talking to several women about, going through a divorce or separation, a lot of times what comes up is finances, and they're asking, or they're either saying that they're having a hard time keeping up financially. So that's why I decided to make the shift and go more into talking about opportunities to earn extra income or to actually replace income. And so for this video, I'm going to be talking about my top 3 ways that I'm going to be focusing on as far as making making a living. So my number one is life insurance. I am a life insurance agent. I've been an agent since November of 2021. I did it part-time when I worked a full-time job, but now I'm doing it full-time. And if you wanted to get into life insurance, selling life insurance, I will say that it is not easy. It is a service or a intangible product that most people don't want to rush to talk about because people don't want to really face their mortality, although we all will have to go that way, and we all, I think, should have life insurance so that we don't leave a financial burden on our family. But many people don't want to talk about it, and they want to put it off till later. But sometimes, we put it off and put it off and put it off, and we find ourselves not having it at the time that we need it. So life insurance is my number one income earner. But like I said, if you wanted to get into selling life insurance, it is, most people, over 90% of the people that embark upon this career do fail, but the 8%, as stated by Cody Askins, 8% that do make it, they do really, really well financially. So that's my number one, life insurance. Number two, what I'm doing is I sell legal services. So I'm not an attorney, or I'm not even in the legal field, but I have partnered with Legal Shield, and I sell their services because that's another thing that I put into my arsenal as far as products that I promote. And it's a risk management service like life insurance is. It's manage financial risk. So my number two is Legal Shield Associate. And if you want to find out any more about any of the things that I'm talking about, you can just leave a comment and or reach me. I'll put my phone number in the description so you could reach me if you have a question. You can text that number. But so number two is Legal Shield. My third and my third source of income is going to be YouTube. So with YouTube, you get paid for creating videos, and in order to become a paid YouTube, um, paid to make videos on YouTube, you have to have 1,000 subscribers, and you have to have 4,000 watch time hours in order for YouTube to monetize you. Now, I have the subscribers, but I don't have the watch time yet, so I'm not yet monetized on YouTube, but that's going to be my third source of income once that happens. So this channel, once again, I'm switching gears to just give information on how to earn extra money. You don't have to join me in my businesses, although you're welcome to if you like. But this channel will be dedicated to finding those opportunities so that you can have options as far as when it comes to making financial strides in order to be able to provide for your family, whether that be businesses in starting a business or just work from home employment. So this channel will be geared still toward women who are going through divorce or separation, but it is going to be to help you out financially so that I can give you ideas on how to replace that lost income from your from the ideal that you've gone through as far as becoming someone who is solely responsible for taking care of the finances of your family. So, with that being said, I hope that this information can help you in some way. If you are looking to find ways to earn money from home, find ways to earn extra income, or anything of that sort, then I invite you to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next video. So that's my video for today, and I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.